I haven't posted a video on this channel in 3 years. A lot of you have been emailing me asking if I went out of business. The answer is actually the exact opposite. I've been buried. Since 2020, I've seen more broken vacuums cross this bench than all the previous years combined. The quality on the big box brands has dropped off a cliff. People are bringing me 14-month-old machines that are totally dead, asking if they're worth saving. The answer is usually no. And with inflation and tariffs driving up prices, nobody wants to throw away $400 on a vacuum that breaks in a year. You work too hard for your money to do that, and so do I. That's actually why I'm turning the camera back on. I'm tired of seeing people get ripped off by good marketing on bad vacuums. If you're trying to stretch your dollar, you don't need a cheaper vacuum. You need a repairable vacuum. You need something that you buy once. Back when I was making videos regularly, a lot of you would call the shop to buy Sebos or Recars directly from me, and I loved that. But it was hard to keep up with the phone while fixing machines and taking care of customers, so I finally built a proper retail website. I've curated an inventory of vacuums that I actually trust, the ones with metal brush rolls, the ones with 5 to 10 year warranties, and the ones that actually clean your carpet. So here's the new setup. If you know what you want, I've put a link to my shop in the description. You can order parts, bags, or new machines right there. We ship nationally and I check every order myself. But if you're staring at your carpet and you have no idea what you need, fill out the questionnaire on our website, which is also linked in the description of this video. Using the information in that, I'll personally respond with vacuums that will meet your home's needs. I'm a real shop with real people. If you're confused about where to look, fill out the questionnaire on the website. I'd rather spend the time learning about you and your needs and get you the right machine rather than having you buy the wrong one on Amazon. I've got some deep dives coming up on new models that are here in the shop for this year, so hit subscribe if you want to see those. Otherwise, check the links below, stop buying disposable junk, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.